Hello everyone, this is Ricky Tavde from Gossipfunda. Let us have a look at how to fix red eye issues on iPhone. For this, you need to go to the gallery and select the picture which has a red eye effect. Click on edit. Now you can see many options such as vibrancy, tint, brightness, contrast, exposure, but these options are not really gonna help you. So you have to click on the eye symbol at the very top on the right hand side, and then the red eye effect gets started. Now you simply have to tap on the red eye effect on the eye and it turns it into black and the image looks perfect. These are the easy ways to remove the red eye issue. You can also revert the changes and try to do them again if the result is not satisfactory for you. Thank you for watching the video. Hope that it has enlightened you with some cool tips and tricks.
Do like, share and subscribe to Gossipfunda. Do not forget to put your query in the comment section below. For more such amazing contents, do visit gossipfunda.com, link in the description.